So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to rotate an image here on easel. So the first thing you have to do after opening up the easel application is it goes without saying, add an image to your design. So I go to the right little screen right here, right bar, and press on the images button. I'm going to go to my images here and just go stock images for demonstration purposes. I'll then select this photo right here of a Jeep. Now, if you want to rotate the image, the simplest way to do it is actually, it could be a little bit confusing, I guess, it could because you can make it larger or smaller this way, but you actually can't rotate it most of the times. The rotate button's at the top here where it says replace, but that's not the case here. Press on the image, go to the top left, and the second option from the left is it's sort of a rotate little arrow right here. Press on that, and then what you can do is bring up this screen, and if you bring it to the right, you increase the degrees that it's being rotated. So you can sort of, rotate it 360 and rotate it back the exact same direction that it was before. So you can play around with it, do whatever you have to do, but that is how you guys can rotate an image here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.